Today we are going to discuss about the width and height, so you can easily understand how can you play with width and height. So now I'm going to comment this so you can easily get the code when you need. Okay, control shift, and now also this bad boy. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm saying this is the div, and now I'm saying the background, I'm going to add the class my div, and I'm going to open the CSS. So where is the CSS? This is the custom.js. I'm going to create the new file, which is the CSS. I'm saying style.css. Now you have to add the style.css here. Now I'm saying link rel style sheet, and now I'm saying href and also type text/css. I'm saying go to the assets folder and now find the CSS. Okay, we have added the CSS, and now I'm saying that this is the my div class. Wait for a few seconds. Now I'm saying the background is red, or my favorite, which is the olive. Now I'm saying that width of the div, not windows, it's width. I'm saying width is 200 pixels. Now control D, and I'm saying the height, also the height is 200 pixels. Okay, so go to the page, refresh the page. So now we have a div with 200 width and 200 height. I'm going to create the feedback div. So this is the feedback class, feedback. Now go to the ready functions and get the width and height for this div, my div. So this is the div, which is this div. Okay, so now I'm saying the width of the div. So create a variables. I'm saying my width, control D, and now add height. Use the height function. So this is the height functions, and now I'm saying this is the height. And now I'm saying that I'm going to use the feedback div. So create a selector with that. This is the feedback div, and now I'm saying the text. Okay, here the text, I'm saying that my div width is okay, I'm going to use the P. Okay, so this is the P. Now I'm saying the div width, close this paragraph here. The width is this, control D. Now I'm saying the div height is this. Go to the page, refresh the page. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Why it's using the div? Because you have to use the HTML. So HTML, bad boy, HTML. Okay, so now this is the width and this is the height, my height. Go to the page, refresh the page. Okay, I know very well. I'm not going to use the, okay, I'm saying this is the width or this is the height. I'm going to separate both off. Okay, I'm saying width, and now so I'm saying P width and P height. Don't worry. So now P width and P height. Go to the page, refresh the page. Okay, so now this is the 200 width and this is 200 height. You are fetching the width and height using the width and height jQuery functions. If you are saying that CSS, you can also use the CSS functions width, and also I'm saying use the CSS height functions. So now I'm saying height, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's giving you the 200 but with the pixel. So you, because this is not the integer value, so you need the integer value. So you can also use the, I think, parse integer function and pass this value here. Okay, also you can do that, parse int, parse int. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page. You can parse the value using the parse integer, and if you are fetching the value using the CSS, you can also do that, but I am saying that I'm using the width and height. Okay, fine. So this is the width and this is the height. For suppose now I'm saying I'm going to comment this one, and I'm going to use the image src. I'm saying go to the assets, Control S, and I'm going to add the ht image, so you can easily understand. Google images, and now I'm going to find the image, ht image, or 2000 by 2000 image. So this is the 2000 by 2000 image. Okay, so now I'm saying save this image in the jQuery and in the assets folder. Now I'm saying image, it's a JPEG image. So now control, okay, find, refresh the page, so it's a large image. So now as you can see, it's a large image. So what we are going to do, I'm saying that we are going to do something, Control Shift. I'm saying when the DOM is ready, I'm going to fetch the window width and height. So how can you do that? I'm saying that control, sorry, window width, and now I'm saying window height, and I'm going to assign this width to this variable which we have created while working on the div. So this is the width and this is the height. So now I'm saying that add this div to these element, for suppose these element. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page. So now control, and as you can see, it's saying this is the width and this is the height. But what we are going to do, I'm saying now find the image img and assign the CSS width and my width, and now also CSS height, comma, because it takes 2 parameters, use this one. Now go to the page, refresh the page, because this is the large image. Now I'm saying open this image 1440 by So as you can see, it's automatically adjusting the image. So now open this in 375. It's also managing the image. Okay, so now I'm saying open this and something else. Okay, it's not working. So now I'm saying open this in this one. So as you can see, it's fine. So in this way you can create the dynamic not dynamic image. So this is the responsiveness. If you are working on Bootstrap, and you know very well Bootstrap is a front-end framework, so you don't need to define the functionality like we have just created or designed. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.